Today we are going to discuss about different type of receptors for the coronavirus on human cell, or we can say on the host cell, because these receptors, they are very important for the attachment of the virus, so the virus can enter into the cell. We know that there are two genus of the coronaviruses, that or the alpha coronavirus and beta coronavirus. So first we will discuss about the alpha coronavirus. So the human coronavirus 229E can attach to the receptor APN, aminopeptidase N receptor, while the human coronavirus NL63 attached to ACE2 angiotensin converting enzyme, and thereof the TGEV, that is transmissible gastroenteritic coronavirus, it has the capability to attach thereof the APN, that is aminopeptidase N, while PEDV, that is porcine epidemic diarrheic coronavirus, also attached with APN. And the last one, that is the C coronavirus, or we can say canine coronavirus, it also attached to the receptor aminopeptidase N receptor. So these receptors are the surface glycoproteins or the surface lipoproteins, which are very important, and they are helpful for the attachment of the viruses. And every virus has different sort of receptors for the attachment and for the entry of the cell. For example, in case of the hepatitis viruses, they have capability or affection to that of liver receptor cells. Another class, that is the beta coronavirus. The beta coronavirus is they are the second genus of the coronavirus, that is MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. It attached to DPP4 dipeptidyl peptidase 4 receptor. Another virus, that is MHC, or we can see mice hepatitis virus or murine coronavirus, it attached with MCEACAM receptor. B coronavirus attached to N-acetyl-9-O-acetyl numeric acid. And SARS coronavirus, that is severe acute respiratory distress syndrome coronavirus, it attached to that of the ACE receptor present in your lungs. So these are the classification of the beta coronaviruses and the receptors for the attachment of the coronavirus for the entry of the cell. So now we will discuss every virus in detail. The first one, there is the alpha coronavirus. The human coronavirus 229E has the attachment to that of the aminopeptidase N receptor. It is envelope virus. It is positive sense and single-stranded RNA virus, and it has the capability to infect the humans and that of the bats. Another virus that is we discussed, that is the human coronavirus NL63. It also attached to ACE2 receptor. It also envelope virus. It also positive sense single-stranded RNA, and it also infect human and bats. So similarities between the human coronaviruses, these two type of human coronavirus. Another one, that is the transmissible gastroenteritis coronavirus. It also attached to APN receptor. It is envelope virus, positive sense single-stranded RNA virus, and this virus mostly they infect that of the pigs. Another type of coronavirus, that is the PEDV, that is porcine epidemic diarrheic coronavirus. It also attached to APN receptor, envelope virus, positive stranded single-stranded RNA virus, infect intestine of the pig. So this virus also mainly affect the pigs. C coronavirus, or C coronavirus, that is canine coronavirus. It also attached to APN receptor. It is envelope virus, positive strained single RNA virus, and it causes contagious intestinal diseases, whole wound in dogs. Another virus that is the beta coronaviruses, we will discuss in detail. The MHV, mouse hepatitis virus, or murine coronavirus. So these viruses, they are the envelope viruses. They are also the positive strained RNA virus, single-stranded RNA viruses. And the different thing in between other virus and this virus is that it also have the additional hemagglutinin esterase enzyme like that of the COVID-19. So and this also infect mostly mice, and maybe from the mice it may be transmit to human zoonotically. And another virus from the beta genus, that is the SARS coronavirus, where acute respiratory distress syndrome virus, and it also attaches to ACE receptor present in your lungs. It is envelope virus, positive strained single-stranded RNA virus, and it mostly infect the human and bats, and it also have additional hemagglutinin in its trace, so infect human and bats. MERS coronavirus, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. So this virus is attached to the receptor DPP4, and it is dipalmethyl peptidase 4, or also called as adenosine deaminase complex protein 2 receptor present in lungs and kidney. And it is envelope virus, positive sense single-stranded RNA virus, infect the human, bats, and camel. And in 2002, it caused a massive killing of the people in Saudi Arabia. Thank you.